Hi everyone. In new Windows 10, some of you may face this problem when trying to access your web WhatsApp through Google Chrome. This is how QR code display. The QR code was unable to display properly and you can't log on from your handphone. So how to solve this? Here you go. At first, click the three dot on the top right corner. Go for setting. Scroll all the way down. Click advanced and look for use hardware acceleration when available under system. Close it and hit relaunch. After you hit the relaunch button, the browser will restart. You try to get in the web WhatsApp again. And here you go. Problem resolved. If you like this video, please like and subscribe at this channel. See you again.